Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can install the Whitestone Dome Glass screen protector for the Apple Watch Series 7. So here is everything laid out on the table, and this is the glass that you want to apply on top of your Apple Watch. Okay, so this is everything right here on the table. Inside the box are 2 packs of the screen protector, and you can use it later on if the first one breaks. Later down the track you can apply the second one. Okay, to begin we would first switch off your Apple Watch. After that we're going to press on the button at the back of the watch to release the watch strap. So we're going to do it on the other side as well. So remove the strap, and then we're going to use the alcohol wipe and clean the watch face. Now we use a dry microfiber cloth and dry the watch face. Next, place the Apple Watch onto the bottom tray. Now insert the observation pad over the watch, and this can help to observe any spillover adhesive. Now place the top tray over the top and make sure this groove aligns with the fixed tape. Push it all the way down so that it is nice and secure. Next, we will insert the lever bar into this tape, like so, and this will help to hold up the tempered glass on one of the side. Now I'm going to use the dust remover to remove the dust on the watch. To remove the gray cap on the liquid adhesive bottle and place it down near the center right next to the lever bar. Do not worry, it will not spill until you release the black cap. Okay, now open up the black cap slowly, and this will allow you to release the liquid adhesive inside the bottle. Now wait for a few seconds so that you can empty out all the liquid. And next we're going to peel off the film on the back of the screen protector. Okay, and then we're going to place the glass onto the lever bar, just like so. Now push down on the right hand side of the tray, allowing the gel to roll to the right hand side. As soon as it touches the glass, pull out the lever bar, allowing the glass to collapse onto the watch face. Now do not push down the tempered glass, just allow it to spread out evenly by itself. Okay, now place the UV light over the tray and press on the button once so that the light will stay on the watch for 15 seconds. Next, remove the watch out of the installation tray, and then we're going to use the alcohol wipe and give it a good clean. Now after you have cleaned the watch with the alcohol wipe, you can use the microfiber cloth to dry it. So dry it with a microfiber cloth, and then we will place the UV light over the watch again. This time we're going to do it for 60 seconds. So you want to press on the button at the top twice. So pressing on the button twice will allow the UV light to stay on for 60 seconds. Okay, finally use the alcohol wipe to give it another good clean to finish off the job. Now let's take a close-up look on the screen protector and see what it's like.